Well, look who's here. My big mouse trap. But today we're going to talk about the Tinkoso mouse traps. First of all, they have a bait cup in the bottom of the trap. So you set your bait in this little cup, and then you insert it in the trap, and it's set. You don't have to worry about the getting snapped. All right. Of course, to set the trap, you just push down on it, and it's set. There's the bait cup. Another good thing that came with this trap was this mouse grabber. Can you imagine it? They even included a rodent grabber to get the rodents and dispose of them. There's a box of several here. I don't know, a dozen? Twelve. So they may put the kitty out of a job. This is really the finest, most amazing mousetrap I've ever seen. Let's just stick a pencil in here and see how they work. There it is. It's not a pencil, obviously. Tinkoso mousetrap set. Absolutely excellent.